Welcome to the Infinity Building. This is Unit 301 Main Street, 21B, one of the most desirable stacks in the Infinity Building. As you walk in on the left, you'll see custom laminate on the walls. And this is a convenient closet for your shoes. On the left side, what normally would be the den has been upgraded into an office space. The desk is built in and will remain in the unit. As we walk into the kitchen, you'll see the curved windows featuring great views of the bay, the water, the bridge, the downtown San Francisco. There's a little balcony. And on your left side, you can see that there's built-in shelving underneath the TV. There is a built-in surround system with speakers in the master bedroom, the bathroom, in the living room, and that will be included in the rent. As you look around, you can see the beautiful view, more custom paint that has been done, and if you look at the kitchen here, the kitchen island, this has been upgraded too. Again, with some custom laminate that's really quite nice. And then they installed an extra ledge on top of the cabinet. And as we walk around, you'll see that they upgraded and installed a wine refrigerator. The rest of the kitchen is your typical high-end Bosch appliances that come with most Infinity units. Now we're going to go into the master bedroom, which also has quite a few upgrades. There is a low pile, neutral carpeting with built-in shelving, built-in cabinets, drawers. And then this bed is actually a Cal King bed. It is built in the frame, so that will also be included with the rent. There is a walk-in closet, which has plenty of space for two people. And then we have the master bathroom that has the dual sinks and the glass shower. And then we'll go over to the second bedroom. The second bedroom is west facing, so you're going to get gorgeous views of the water and the bridge, and you might want to use this as your master bedroom. You can easily put a king-size bed in this room. And then there's the closet. And this second bathroom has really been upgraded. It's absolutely gorgeous what they've done with this bathroom. You can see the built-in glass shelving and the sink. And the tiling is just absolutely gorgeous. Even the ceiling, they did custom paint. Then we've got your Bosch washer and dryer front loading. And the last thing that I do want to tell everybody is the only piece of furniture that is in here are the bar stools and the couch. Those are optional. If you want to keep them here, the owner is willing to leave them, or he's willing to remove them. Thank you very much.